Do you want to add any type of custom icons in your WordPress website, whether it's Instagram, TikTok, or something else? Today in this video, I'll exactly show you how you can add any type of icons in your WordPress website. So if you're interested, keep watching the video from the beginning to the end. And don't forget to give this video a like so that YouTube algorithm find this video helpful. Without further ado, let me dive deep to my computer screen and see how it works. Alright, so at first you have to log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you have the login, at first we will need to download the icon. So you can download any icon, by the way. So I'm going to show you TikTok first, and then I'll instruct you how to add other icons. So for now, you have to search simple icons, hit enter, and click to the first website that you see. You can see a lot of icons right here. You can search your desired icon by finding their name. Let's say I want to have TikTok icon for now. So I just click on download TikTok icon. So I click on download and save. And then once it is downloaded, I have to convert it to a different format by which we can actually upload. So now if I go to Google and search Fontello, hit enter, and go to the first website here, and let me do a different thing. So yep, once you come to this website, you will be able to see like this. So now we will need to upload the icon that we already have downloaded from this website user right here. So from this website, I have downloaded this file. I have to upload it right here. So if I go to my memory, let me show you. So from this panel, if I go to this, so this is the TikTok icon that I have downloaded. So I have to upload it to the website. So I have to upload it here. Let me do it. So this is the icon that I will need to upload. I drag it right here, and once it is downloaded and uploaded, I have to click to the icon and name it TikTok icon or something based on your need, on your choice. So once it is, just click on download the web font, and let's name it TikTok custom icon, and click on save. Once it is saved to your memory, the 50% work is already done. Now you have to come to the dashboard of the website and then go to Elementor and then custom icons. By the way, I'm just showing you using Elementor page builder, but definitely you can add it to any other website editor like the page builder that you have in your WordPress website. Let's say you're using Divi Builder, you're using WP Bakery, or whatever the page builder is. You just have to go to the custom icon setting, and then you'll be able to find out the custom icon upload option. Right now we are using Elementor, but you can use any other page builder, as I'm saying. So once I come to custom icons, just click add new icon set. And now here I type TikTok icon. And now I have to upload this. So in order to upload this, just click here to browse. So this is the one that I downloaded, TikTok custom icon. So just click on open. All right, so as you can see, it is already uploaded. Once I click on update now, I should be able to see the icons. So from Elementor, if I go to custom icons, or yep, so from now, and let's add a new page. Let's name it home, and if I click on publish, now let's go edit with Elementor. And let it be loaded. Okay, so it's right there. Now I have to take a section, take this one, and let's add social icons. I search social icons. So we have Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Let's add another one by clicking add new item. It has WordPress as the fourth one, so we will replace it by TikTok. I click add icon library, go to TikTok, and now you see this is the icon. Somehow it is not coming. So at this point, I will also try to show you how to figure out if there is any issue happens like this. So from Elementor, hopefully this will not happen to you, but now it is happening. So let me show you how to do it. If I go to custom icons, let's add one more time, TikTok, or at first let me delete this one, then I think I will be able to upload it properly. So go to custom icons and let's move it to the trash. From the trash, I'm gonna move it to permanently delete. Now there is no icon, there is something in the draft. Let's move it to the trash as well. Make sure there is nothing, so I click to this trash as well, permanent delete. Now it's good. So I click add new custom icon. So now if I type custom icon TikTok, now let's upload this one, right? So once I open this, and hopefully this is gonna be uploaded. Now as you can see, it is showing the TikTok icon. Click on update. So whenever you see there is something, just follow the same process. There is no need to follow any other article or something. Hopefully this will fix everything. Just follow the same process that I'm showing you in the video and everything will be fixed. Sometimes this happens just because of an internal error, but it is absolutely fine. So once you have this icon right here, just go to this page again and reload. You will be able to see the icon is right there now. So now if I click to this icon again and I click, let's close this. We have the WordPress icon again. So click on icon library. So from now, if I go to custom icon TikTok, as you can see, we have the TikTok icon right here. So if I use this one, I click on insert. Now as you can see, we have the TikTok icon right here, and definitely you'll be able to put your TikTok account link at this point. And if you want to customize the color and everything for this icon, just click on custom color and you'll be able to put the color of the background and the main one by selecting primary and secondary color. If I select primary color, it says background is white, but let's make it black. Now it shows like this. And the secondary color, want to make it red, it's red, though it doesn't look proper. So let's make it white. So this is how actually you can customize the colors as well. And if you want to customize the entire sections, I mean for all the icons, if you want to change the color, just go to the style and then from icons, instead of official, just click on custom and you will be able to customize all the colors and everything and the size, padding, spacing and everything from this option. So by following this method, you will be able to add any icons. If you want to add one more, two more, or any amount of the icon that you need, at first just go to the simple icons, download the exact icon that you need, and then go to Fontainebleau to convert the icon and just upload it to your WordPress website. I mean the same process that I showed from the beginning to the end. If you follow the same process, definitely you should be able to upload any icon to your WordPress website that you need to fulfill your website design dream. So, what do you think about this amazing feature of WordPress? Share your thoughts in the comment below. I would love to see your feedback. If you have any specific questions or need guidance, I'm available for personalized Zoom consultation. You can ask me anything related to website design, development, WordPress, and so on. Not only that, if you want me to be hired for your website design or WordPress related project, I have attached all the link in the comment box or description. Feel free to check it out. And also don't forget to give this video a like, share to this channel and subscribe so that you can get more helpful content from this channel. That's it for today. I will see you in the next one.